Can you explain what you do in the mornings when you come in?
When we walk in, we turn in our homework, and then after that, if we don't have our homework, then we sign the homework log, and if we don't, or when we're done with that, then we get our agenda out, bring it to our desk, put down our chair, then we look up here to see what to do, and usually it says get homework first, and if it's not on the chair or down there, it usually says where you put it, and our agenda is up there. And then on that board we do that board, and then it's all these problems that we have to do in the morning, and then we check it after. And then this is unfinished work is usually like writing and stuff, but we have to get done with that board. It's unfinished, but then we get all these other books, and then here is when you read.
I do math board every morning when my students come to school. When they arrive, they come in and do their agenda, and then we do math board right after. So they just start working on it immediately. Math board normally takes between 20 and 40 minutes, depending on the amount of problems I put up there and the types of problems and how intricate they are. I normally choose the problems by looking at what areas my students are struggling in and they need a little extra work. I'll also try and mix it up and do things from sections we've already covered and review the problems and keep it fresh in their mind so they don't forget how to do it, but also preview problems and make teachable moments. And then I always try and do a few addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division so that they stay fresh in their minds, and that's something they always need to be practicing. Deborah? What do I need to do? Check it. How can I check it? Matthew? I could do Gladys. Okay. So let's do, I'm going to do it down here. 4, 26, and 37. Draw my box. Draw lines between the numbers. Diagonals through. Okay. 4 times 3 is? Please don't call out. 4 times 3 is, Dakota? 12. 2 times 3 is, Dakota? 6 times 3 is, Dakota? 18. 4 times 7 is, Aiden?
28.
2 times 7 is, Aiden?
14.
And 6 times 7 is?
42.
Good. 2 plus nothing is 2. 4, 8 plus 8 is 16. 2, 8, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 2, 4, 5, 1. 1, 5, 7, 6, 2. 1, 5, 7, 6, 2. So I know my answer is correct. How can I find the area of this? Nike?
12 times 7.
12 times 7. Okay, let's do 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Oh, what is the area? Can someone explain to me what the area is real quick? Deborah?
The inside.
The inside. What's it called when I'm talking about the outside of something, Deborah? The perimeter, like the rim of a basketball hoop. Okay. So 84. So is my area 84, Nike?
No.
Why not? You told me to multiply that.
It goes by square inches.
Okay, I'm talking about square inches because I'm measuring in squares. So would my area be 84 inches squared?
Yeah.
Ooh, I hear a yes and a no. Why wouldn't it be? Corbin, you look pretty adamant.
Because doing 7 times 12
Uh-huh.
would be getting if it was a square.
Okay.
That would be it, but since it's since a triangle is only half of it, you would have to divide 84 into 2.
Awesome. So when I do 12 times 7, it's telling me there's 12 this way, squares, there's 7 this way. So that's telling me for the square. So the triangle is half of the square, so I'd go 84 divided by 2. 2 goes into 8. Timothy, how many times? 4 times 2 is 8. 2 goes into 4. How many times, Timothy? 2. So 42. So my answer would be 42 inches. What, Nike?
Squares.
Squared, because I'm measuring in squares. I can't take my ruler and then just smack it out there and figure out the inside of it, can I? Gotta use little squares. You can walk me through number 13. Has anyone not been called on during math one? Okay, got everyone. Who wants to walk through number 13? Hope?
7 plus 2 is 9.
Okay.
9 plus 8 is
So I carry the.
4.
Good.
7 plus 2 is 8 plus minus 10.
Good.
4 plus 3 is 7.
Good. Ooh, I have to check it. How would I check it? Can someone else help me figure out how to check it? Let's have Jacob.
8,079
Okay.
minus 3,782.
Good.
2 minus 9 equals 7.
2 minus 9 is 7.
Oh, wait, no. 9 minus 2 equals 7.
Good.
Can't do that, so you cross out the 0, you cross out the 8 because you can't do that. Make the 8 a 7,
Okay.
make the 0 a 10,
Okay.
make it a 9,
Okay.
make the 7 a 17,
Good.
and 17 minus 8 equals 9.
Okay.
9 minus 7 equals 2.
Good.
7 minus 3 equals 4.
Okay.
And see if it matches up.
See if it matches up. And it does match up, so I know I am 100% right. 8,079. There are many benefits to doing math board. One big benefit for my class has been it's a way to really drill and do repetition with the problems. I can do things we've already done. It's also a good way to assess where students are at and to review things we've already done. It's also a way that I introduce math vocabulary and practice using math vocabulary in front of the students while we check the problems, and a way that I get them to use math vocabulary while they're checking and discussing the problems as well.